So welcome to another live stream, guys. Today is bank holiday in New York, so there will be very less volatility. So you can see this is a 15-second chart. Price came back into this 15-second chart. First presented fair value gap, and you could have targeted these equal lows here. So I was a little bit late to the live stream. Sorry, guys. So you can see price came back into this. Like I always told you to plot the premium wick quadrants and discount wick quadrants. Like if you plot this premium wick quadrants on the weekly chart, you can see price came back exactly into this midpoint of this wick, and from there we had a rejection. So now this is the daily chart. So we had a huge opening gap today. So we have this huge opening range gap. So this is the RTH chart, guys, and the remaining are our ETH charts. You can see this is RTH chart, regular trading hours chart, and the remaining charts are ETH charts, exchange traded hours. So we so the market went up and took out this buy side liquidity, and then so market went up and took out this buy side liquidity, and then came back and took out this sell side liquidity. So both buy side and sell side are now taken. Price is consolidating inside this bearish fair value gap. So you can see price again failed to close above this midpoint of this wick. So that is the reason again I went short. This candle failed to close above midpoint of this wick. At the same time, we went back into this bearish fair value gap. So actually, I was anticipating price closes above this midpoint and we can target this bearish fair value gap, but that did not happen. Heavy manipulation, guys. Heavy manipulation. I'm putting my stop loss below this wick midpoint. So my target would be today's high because this is the London opening session liquidity. So my target would be this. So I'll remove all this VIX, which is creating a lot of confusion. So this is the first presented fair value gap. So we had a closure with the body above this first presented fair value gap. So when we are bullish, we want to see premium arrays, discount arrays. Price should not go below 50% of this discount array. So you can see the bodies of the candle respecting this 1 minute balanced price range. The bodies of the candles did not go even below 50% of this. The wicks can do the damage, that is wicks will do the damage, will take the stop loss, whereas bodies tell the story. See the bodies, where the bodies are staying. The bodies are staying above this balanced price range. So once price closes above this bearish candle, then we will have a bullish order block. Then I will adjust my stop loss to the low of this swing low. So you can see again we closed above 50% of this premium wick. So now we want to see price move away from this upper quadrant. So once price closes above this bearish candle with the body, still we have 15 more seconds for this candle closure. So we want to see this candle close above this bearish candle with the body. Then we'll have a bullish order block. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. So we have a confirmation now. Bullish order block is confirmed. So then I will move my stop loss to the low of this fair value gap. We had a small volume imbalance here inside this first presented fair value gap. So price came back into this first presented fair value gap, into this volume imbalance. Now we want to see price close above 50% of this. Why I selected this candle is, why I plotted quadrant levels on this candle is, while market was coming down, smart money have added their short positions inside this candle. So when the market is again going up, they will be neutralizing their positions, their short positions. So they will be accumulating inside this candle. So that is why you can see the smart money is accumulating inside here, inside this candle. So then it will expand. Once we accumulate inside this candle, then we can expand. See, we need to close above 50% of this. We need to expand away from 50% of this candle. See, now we have again, once this candle closes above this, we have bullish order block. But this candle should close with the body above this candle, down close candle. So then I'm going to adjust my stop loss below this candle. So now we want to close above 50% of this wick. So we want to see a closure above this midpoint of this wick, guys. So this is the only trade I will be taking today because today is a bank holiday in New York. So this is the only trade I'll be taking, and after this I'll be quitting my live stream. And I will try to do some trade reviews, guys. Last week I took so many scalps, so I will try to do some trade review and the logic behind why I took those trades. You can see price is still struggling to close above 50% of this wick. So we want to see a closure above 50% of this wick for further continuation. So I took one partial here because we are approaching macro window. We are already inside the macro window between 950 and 1010. So price might retrace. So that is the reason I took one lot. I closed one lot partial. So now we are inside this bullish fair value gap. So we want this candle close above 50% of this wick, and we want to see this candle remain above 50% of this wick. So we want to see a closure about this wick. So you can see again price taking support exactly at the midpoint of this wick and rejecting from there. So I'll remove this. So that's it guys for today. So to summarize, I took some two trades which was loss in $2,400 and this trade is around $4,200. So in the net around $1,800 net positive for the day. Even at a bank holiday, see the concepts are working beautifully. So that's it guys. That's it for today. Thank you.